Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today in our kitchen we are making something very exciting for our keto lovers. This is keto low carb egg idlis. I know how many of you Indians love idlis, and then when you come into this keto low carb diet you can't have much rice and it is always a bummer, right? But if you like this video, do subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let's get started with our ingredients. Over here I have coconut flakes or shredded coconut and Celtic salt. I have a baking powder and one egg. You can also have brown eggs. And I have our melted coconut oil over here. Alright, now let's mix the wet ingredients first. My egg. Okay, I'm just going to whisk it really quick. Now I'm going to add the coconut oil. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Coconut flakes, salt, baking powder. Okay, I'm just going to use a spoon. You can also use a fork to mix it in. I'm just going to mix it in really nicely because I tried my hand blender and it is just sputtering everywhere and I don't like that messy kitchen. So this is another way to do it. Just make sure that you blend it really well, all very well combined. Just like a idli batter consistency. I think this is pretty good, and I'm just going to transfer into my glass bowl. I'm just going to grease it first and then transfer into my glass bowl, and I'll be back. Okay, I have greased it with olive oil over here, and I'm just going to pour in our batter, our egg idli batter, and I'm going to smudge it in a little bit just for it to form like a very good batter here. And I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Now always remember, your microwave may be different. You have to do the toothpick test like I do all the time. And I will go put it in the microwave for 1 minute and I'll be back. Alright guys, it's very hot. As you can see, my hand is struggling, and there you go. Your idli is ready. This is the keto low carb egg coconut idli. You can call it any way you like. I have made my mint chutney and I'm just going to put it on the side and I'm just going to share. But before that, I'm just going to open it, cut it, and show you guys how it is on the inside. Wow, look at that, so spongy. But this idli is delicious. And okay, I have my mint chutney, homemade mint chutney, and I'm just going to eat my idli along with my mint chutney. And here we go guys, our keto low carb coconut egg idli is ready. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel.